Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again at Option Alpha, and in this video I want to show you how to find great small option trades. So the reason I'm doing this one is because we still get a lot of emails, questions, comments from people asking how do you find great trades? And I think the root of this is that for most traders that start out, especially newbie traders, they want to make a trade, but they just don't know what to do. They don't know what strikes to select, they don't know what expiration to choose, right? And it's all very much just kind of flying by the seat of your pants. You just kind of choose something because you heard somebody say something. So I want to show you a different way of doing it, this kind of shopping experience that you can have using a tool like Trade Ideas. So inside of Trade Ideas right here on Option Alpha, it's literally going through and analyzing hundreds of thousands, already millions of potential trade ideas that you can then sift through and filter through, which this is a different way of finding trade ideas that helps you find the trade that matches your criteria without having to go just kind of pick and choose or hunt and guess, like throw darts at the board. So you can see here it's already updating just as we go. It's analyzing hundreds of thousands of trades as we go throughout the day. So the market just opened a little bit ago here, and so what we can do now is we can start to filter for trades that meet our criteria. So one thing that you can do really quickly inside of Trade Ideas is use this spread filter to find trades that have a maximum spread width. Now, this is how you find great small trades, because you can start by saying, I don't want trades that are $10 wide or $20 wide, big name securities, lots of risk. Maybe I want trades that are $1 wide. So only trade ideas that are literally a spread width of $1. And you can see that all of these trade ideas are at least $1 wide, sometimes smaller than $1 wide. So if I go over here to the max loss column, all of these trade ideas that we now have on the screen, but just with one filter here, it's finding small positions that then we can start to work from here. So you could do $1, you could do something like maybe $3 wide, which might be a setting that I would use, where you get a little bit more width and maybe opens up the universe of potential trade ideas just a little bit more, but still it gives you very, very small risk to reward trades, which is what you're looking for. You're looking for trades, in this case, that are small positions, but good positions that you could potentially get into. So the other filters that I might add would be something like ETFs. I might also filter it by days to expiration. Sometimes I like to go out a little bit further here and choose days that are, say, 20 days to 45 days. You could also filter by risk to reward. So a common one that I use in one of my bots is the risk to reward of 100% or more, with the probability of max profit being 50% or higher. So essentially what I'm looking for here is better than 50-50 odds on the trade, so better than a 50-50 coin flip, and a payoff of 100% or more risk to reward. So if I can do that, then essentially I should have an edge. Even if I win 50% of the time, I'm still getting more money when I win than I get when I lose on those positions less than 50% of the time. You can also filter here by expected value and just filter out any low-level trades that don't have positive expected value. So just right here using this, you get a very short list of potential trades that you can now go through. And these trades, again, have less than a couple $100s of risk. If that maybe is too much with a spread width of 3, maybe you bump it down. You say, I only want to do positions that are spread width of 2 or 1 or whatever works for you. And you can see right up here, like this top trade right now, and this is just as we're doing this kind of live together here as I'm recording this top trade right now, this actually looks like a pretty decent trade. It's an XSP, which is a cash settled ETF, cash settled index option, which is cool. It is a trade that has a 58% probability of max profit. So you're getting much better than 50-50 odds, like much better than a coin flip. But look at the actual payoff here for this one. So if you win, which is a 58% probability of max profit, you win $54. If you lose $46. So that's that difference there that gets us a risk to reward that's 117%, which again, in this case, is favorable for that probability of max profit here. So this would be a great small trade. So if you're a new trader, small trader, you're just getting used to options trading, just getting started with options trading, this is a trade right here that only takes on $46 of risk, but is a trade that actually has really good metrics behind it. So I hope this video helped out with finding great small trades that you can make right now. As always, if you have any questions, let us know. And until next time, happy trading.